Oh, hi. Oh, we're actually moving. Like, today is official. We're moving. We're getting
happening.
We're getting the keys next week. We've started. Like, what is happening? You started while I was at work, babe. What's going on?
Yeah.
What is all this stuff? Oh my god, our stuff.
Books and games and
From where?
mostly the front of the house and the living room.
Okay.
All the cupboards and cabinets are pretty much taken care
Oh
of.
my
I got a
god.
couple
Oh,
things up
for the
there I
first
gotta
time
wrap.
ever on my channel, look at my chairs are clean. I have no clothes. This is like a big moment.
Right? For like a couple days.
Yeah, for 1 second. Oh, my God. Oh, there's more people here. Okay, so real quickly, you deal with that real quick, baby. So, okay, let me get in some good lighting, y'all. I gotta say some things. So, we're officially moving. Today, there are people coming over to literally take like 75% of my clothes, and we're gonna sell and we're gonna donate, and we're going through a lot right now. And hi Jordan.
Hi, how are you?
The girls are upstairs already.
Awesome.
Say hi to the babies.
So cute.
So we're getting rid of like almost all my clothes, Christian.
That's insane. I can't even think about how much that actually
we
looks
have
like.
so much, and Nate has so many clothes, and he wants to donate, and we're gonna sell a lot of it. A lot of it is like in pristine clothes, like, you know what I mean, in
Right.
condition.
Well, a couple
We've worn it
times.
like once. So there is a company called The Real who just takes your clothes, they sell it for you, and they give you a check. It's really nice. A lot of the other stuff or things that aren't Gucci and Chanel, going to donate. What, delicious?
Yeah.
Get him, D! Oh wait, in case you're wondering why Nate's a little undressed, he got a new tattoo!
Dude, what?
It's fucking
Whoa.
massive. Look at that compared to my head. Like,
Sick.
It's like a real face portrait almost.
isn't that crazy?
Damn.
So if you've never seen the X-Files, don't talk to me. Okay, let's go upstairs really quickly. There's a lot happening here. Like, oh my god, okay. Clothes. Bags on bags. Delicious, help us clean. Hi ladies.
Hello.
Okay, so they're taking a lot of designer clothes out right now. They're a whole team of people today. They don't even know about the Gucci closet that I'm about to get rid of. So let's start pulling. Nate, I'm gonna need your help. I'm winded. If anyone needs an inhaler or a Red Bull, let me know. This is what we call the Red Room. I've never really shown this room off like in our channel ever, huh?
Never.
It's just a spare room.
Maybe like for a second.
Yeah, like when Nate's parents stay over, they stay here. Friends, obviously we have other spare bedrooms, but Nate, come in here, I'm so nervous. Okay, I've already gotten rid of so many shoes. Look at this. I know it doesn't look like much yet, but
I mean, it was full, so if you would have seen it beforehand.
okay, so watch. Close this door, come in here. Nate, come on.
We're in the closet again.
Oh my god, we're in the closet. It's been the years for you, babe. Okay, so all of this clothes, okay? Like, look, this even has a tag on it. I never wore it. Oh my god, what brand is that? I don't even know. Okay, look at so Louis Vuitton, Tom Ford, Chanel, Gucci, everything. All of this old Gucci. Oh my god, a Shane hoodie! We're not getting rid of that. Oh my
Can't get rid
god.
of that.
That's priceless. Why is that over here? Oh my god. Sorry, Shane. I think maybe sometimes I have like a struggle in my head, like coming from nothing of like, oh my god, I gotta hoard everything, or I don't wanna let it go, or like, oh my god, I spent money on my hard-earned work, like, ugh. But like, I'm in a different headspace. So much has happened this year. I'm ready to clean, I'm ready to get rid of stuff, and if I'm never going to wear any of this stuff again, why just let it sit? Let someone else enjoy it. So, let's get rid of it all. Oh my god. This jacket, look at this Balmain
Oh,
jacket.
dude, I think I remember that.
Yes, it's so stunning. Alexander, oh, this is Givenchy. Oh my god. Look at this cute little Gucci moment. Oh, look at this Gooch. Hi, honey. God, okay, let's have one of the girls help us. They're gonna die when they come in here. Okay, let's show them. I have so much stuff here.
Yeah, no, of course.
Okay, Louis, Gucci, Chanel, the full, like all of it.
Amazing, amazing.
Like worn once.
Perfect.
Whole bottom row.
We got it.
Oh my god. Okay, we're getting rid of them, people. Let's clean. Hey Christian, remember when I never wore these?
Yeah, I've never seen
Now
them.
someone else can enjoy it. I never wore it.
The baby.
I never bought. I can't speak. I'm like stuttering right now. I'm shook. I never used it, and I forgot I had it. Isn't that embarrassing?
That's not one of the custom ones, right?
No. No.
That would not be
The president of Gucci's like, you're done. Oh, this is Givenchy.
Oh, that's not like a Jeffree Star backpack?
No, it's Givenchy Star.
It looks cool.
Okay. Oh yeah. You know, Colin, they tricked me into buying it, and I was like, I didn't really like it, but they like, it's an impulse.
We all have them.
Yeah, we all have them.
This jacket. Whoa. This is kind of like one
I
of
love
the
that
most
one.
iconic pieces of like Jeffree 2017. We gotta keep this one. I wore this to Paris once. Wow, okay.
That one was a cool one.
Yeah, it's like Twiggy from the 60s.
Yeah.
This is an UGG bathrobe. Oh, we're keeping this for me.
I can put that in your bathrobe area.
Okay. Miu Miu Raver boots? You think there's a client out there for them? I think there is. Oh my god. Ferrari Pumas?
I'll take them.
Great!
How much of your wardrobe do you think has never been touched? Like you've bought it?
Oh, maybe like 20%. We need to have a talk about that. I know I'm excessive and crazy, but the first Celine bag I ever bought, a Big Daddy, do they make this size anymore?
No.
Hot, hot pink. Sorry, Celine, I love you, girl, but it's time. What are these? These match the room. Oh my god. Okay. I'm having like so many talks with myself, like, I don't buy as much stuff anymore, right? Like I went through this crazy phase of like too much stuff. I'm sure you noticed. Makeup, clothes, everything. Just like, it's almost like the sense of like, is it all gonna go away? Like, should I hoard because it could all be pulled away from me like it was before during my MySpace days and all my tax problems like 10 years ago. So it's very kind of like, I don't know, it's a little haunting, it's a little weird. So I'm glad that chapter's over. I'm like letting go of all this stuff. I don't buy clothes like that anymore. I actually wear everything I buy. And I don't, if I'm kind of like, I don't waste the money anymore. So I'm in a really good headspace, ready to clear a lot of the stuff out and enter my new home with just a lot of clarity and cleanliness. And just not so stuffy. Like this house is big, right? I never like imagine when I lived in my 2-bedroom apartment that you guys saw in the first Shane series, right? To this house and ever feeling like, what, stuffy? You know what I mean? But like, we've outgrown it. And there's stuff everywhere and I just can't wait for the feeling of like clutter to not be here.
And on your mind.
Yeah, it feels like when you come home and just like there's shit everywhere, it just kind of gives you like, it's just a minute, it makes you feel anxious. So, we're moving. Okay. Oh my god, how is there more? There's more. All right, girls. We're gonna start with this little pile, but there's a whole, Rachel's gonna die when she comes in here. See all these racks?
Oh my god.
So we're gonna go through. So even though I wanna hoard, I gotta let it go.
Let's let it go.
Okay. So that little pile I started last night, and let me start pulling. Look at all these outfits. This is even from this. Look at, like so many campaigns.
Yeah, you bought that recently, no?
Yeah. Didn't I wear some me and Mitchell's makeup classes too in the UK? Look at every Balmain blazer that I've worn on my channel. Hi. Reveals, makeup reviews. Like this is so sentimental. This is crazy. That is so stunning. What? Oh my god. Look behind this door. Let me all back in. There's a lot of shoes.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we can take all of these.
Okay.
Everything.
So I wore these and I fell down the stairs because they were so slick. So this is a funny story.
Dude.
Christian, look at red bottoms.
Whoa, those are really cool.
Right? I wish you were the same size as me. You could wear them. I'm like, oh my god, this jacket.
That one's
Yeah. This is so overpriced. I don't know what someone will buy it for, but dude. Look at her. Look at this jacket. I forgot to return it because it didn't fit and it was too big. So now we're gonna sell it.
so tags like really up the price.
Yeah, because it's like never worn, like
Right.
never touched it type of vibe.
It's like you
Yeah.
could return it almost. Like,
Exactly. But then their return policy is like X amount of days.
Sure,
And that's from like a year ago, so I wish they would take it back and give me credit. But imagine. They're like, I don't think so. Do you guys mind?
No,
Sweating. Isn't it weird that I'm not gonna look at this view anymore? It's okay. I'm ready for a new view. Do you think word spread that I'm moving to Hidden Hills yet? Do you think Drake's like, oh shit, the queen of makeup is gonna be my neighbor?
You just see trucks of stuff coming.
Yeah. Do you think JLo's like, she concerned? My neighborhood has crazy people in it, but everyone's really quiet and keeps to themselves, and that's what I like. Oh! Probably another PR package. Help me now.
So where does this stuff actually go now? I mean, I know you're donating it and selling it, but like
So
how?
they look at it all, they examine it, make sure it's in great condition, and then they just put it up online, and then they sell it, and
okay.
then and then I get my cut. Obviously, I donate a lot of stuff, but like, girl, you know what I mean? It's like, might as well get your money back and buy other stuff. Look at this dress. Oh my lord. Hi.
Oh my gosh.
You almost want to wear it to someone's funeral. That's dark. Okay. First Balmain dress I ever bought. Let's let someone else enjoy it. Remember this cute moment? Wore it to a birthday. Hi. These are all empty. Oh no, there's something in here. I need to have like the junk people take all this, but look at this. We found some Stuart Weitzmans.
Yeah.
Okay. No idea what's in these. I guess we're about to find out together. The Chinese. Gloves? Can you take
We'll
gloves?
take 'em.
Okay. Yes, gloves. Whoa, equestrian gloves, okay. Looking from that view from far away, it empty. It's
It
crazy.
looks like empty.
Will you peek and see what's in here? If it's empty, it's good to go. Remember that was our old dog carrier.
Is it?
Yeah. Like when we'd go to Michigan, like for all like the dog toys and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you put the dogs in it, and I was like, what?
Oh my god, sorry, I worded that so horrible. We put the dog's stuff in there. Like that one makes Nate kind of sad, so let's get rid of that one.
How's it going?
Oh my god, I can't reach those. I'm so like I'm 6 foot and I'm like, God. How does my highlight look, by the way? Come on, Extreme Frost.
It's coming through for sure.
Pumping through. Gucci boots that they custom made for me, never getting rid of.
No, you can't.
No, ever. I just don't have anywhere to put them right now, so I put them in here. This is crazy. Like, I'll wear it now. No, yeah. Me going back and forth in my head. This closet is like empty. It's so crazy. Everything else in here I'm donating or keeping. Look behind the door. I'm like, they're about to take the remainder of my shoes from here. I know.
That was full, like 5 minutes ago.
That's crazy. Okay, like, oh, just, that's it. It feels really good, but I need some water and a Red Bull and a hit and a kiss. Oh, hi. Look, just body bags of Gucci. Oh my god. The beauty room looks empty. Have you seen in there? Like,
Whoa.
look at all the wigs in the ground.
Whoa.
That's not iconic.
Whoa.
All these looks! Yeah.
Damn. It's like a graveyard.
What are you doing, dude?
Just cleaning.
Is that a fishbowl?
you
No,
could
it's
say that.
actually a 5-foot bong. Are we allowed to show that? If not, we'll blur it later. But yeah.
Well, I mean, you can't tell what it is now, so.
Oh my god, all the books are gone, Chris.
It's empty.
I actually haven't even seen this.
Wait, when did you start doing this stuff? Because this is the first I've seen it.
Like a day or two ago.
Whoa,
We
it's-
got back from Bora Bora, and I was like, bye. Like I know we're moving. Sign the papers. I viewed the house. Me and Nate are in love with it. It's our dream home, but we're just. I guess seeing everything empty is like,
Yeah, it's crazy.
wow.
It's weird for me to see it, so I can't even think about how you guys feel, you know?
Yeah, like we met before I even bought this place.
Mhm.
It's so crazy. You've been with us through this entire. What do you call it?
House.
How? Yeah, I was like, I was trying to think of a different word. Yeah. Wow. Look at Diva just chilling with Nate.
I was like, what?
Hi, Bet. I just got rid of 75% of all my clothes.
Damn. Hi.
I'm spring cleaning.
I can see.
Hi. They're all good. Come on, Super Glue. Don't try me, Bora Bora. I'm the only bottle on the whole island.
That's hilarious.
Happy holidays if we don't see you.
Yes.
Thank you so
Early
much.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Bye, ladies.
Thank
Thank you. One last time doing my nails in the office until we're in the new office. The air's on. Perfect. Yeah. Last time doing nails here, I think. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Isn't that crazy? Hi.
Hi.
I'm sweating.
Yeah.
Look, I'm peeling from Bora Bora. Look.
Oh my god, you are.
Yeah, I'm tan. Yvette shook at me. So we are, of course, doing a lot of moving. We're gonna shorten my nails today. They're really long and glamorous. Hi. It's time.
Yes.
Stone removal on every finger though? Girl.
No, watch. You'll see right now. You know.
Woohoo!
Your mom is looking down, bro.
Oh my god, where's the underside of it? Look at that. That's my real nail. That's the DNA samples. Clone me, bitch.
Can't even imagine like the stuff you actually find back there.
Got some fan
Oh wow.
art. It's pretty dope. I think we got this at a meet and greet once. It was pretty sick. Definitely kept it. Gotta go back in the box.
How many of those do you have? I don't even have like.
A couple.
Redoing your nails again?
Listen. We're moving. I'm shortening them right now. It's crazy in here. I even pulled shoes from the vault at the end and started throwing them in trash bags.
Wow.
And I was like, I'm never gonna wear
Good for you.
these sneakers. Like, we just gotta keep it moving. Let
They're
someone else
fresh.
enjoy them. But yeah, I got rid of like 90% of all my ball marks.
Oh my god.
Are you just making more boxes?
Mm-hmm. Might as well. Don't really gotta do a whole lot. Just gotta put it in a box.
Already folding everything.
Yep. Getting this shit.
Dude, you have a Blockbuster tee? What is this?
Hell yeah, bro. From Alaska. One of the last ones that was ever like alive. It's like I don't even think that one's there anymore, dude. Yeah.
Alaska.
Alaska, bro.
I don't think Blockbuster is anymore.
There's like one or two left.
That's crazy.
Like ever. Yeah.
You should put that on your tattoo.
No, I like touched it with my fingernail.
I love the fact that you're not just like picking up stacks and just whipping in boxes. My Gucci linens can't touch regular basic shit.
No, it can't, dude. It doesn't deserve it. I would like to know that all that shit's just together.
He wants to know where all of his shit's at.
Yeah, I don't want it to just be fucking scattered and then I'm like, yo, where's that fucking shirt I'm looking for?
We're like halfway.
Yeah,
I think so.
roughly. Besides the shit I'm still just folding on the floor. How to cope.
Okay, I don't drink alcohol, never have, and we're I don't know. We're gonna give these away to all these people
Yeah.
that drink that we know.
Mm-hmm.
Long story short, I'm about to go finish my nails. They're back. Look at they're shorter.
Yeah,
You can tell they're shorter, right, Nate?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna continue packing.
Yes.
I gotta go do some meetings, finish these nails, and we'll be back tomorrow. So we're gonna be filming this for days and days, you guys, as we slowly move out of the house. But it's
Started.
We're started. Wow. Pray for us, and we'll be back soon.